Hello everyone, this is Barb Reed, the Wexford Stamper, and I'm here today to share with you my new product kit for February. It's a birthday card kit, and you get to make your own file box to put your cards in, because everyone needs cards throughout the year to mail to friends and family. So this birthday card set features the Flowering Field Suite, and it is a suite that is in the new mini catalog, and it is beautiful. Such a wonderful, wonderful spring set. So let me first show you what you're going to make. All right, this is the file box right here. And yes, you can make this file box, and you will receive all the materials you need to make this file box. If you purchase this kit as a to-go kit, it will include a link to a video tutorial so that you will have somebody with you all the way through the process if you choose to do it at home. So let me show you the sample of the cards. Now you will be making 4 different style of cards, and you'll get 12 cards all together plus envelopes. All right, so here's our first card. You can tell how pretty that paper is. And you're also gonna get some of this beautiful window pane plaid ribbon. And here's a cute little way to open that card, and you will get to make 3 of this style card. All right, here's another style of card. This brings out the beautiful Poppy Parade. That is a beautiful red color we have, and we have a little bit of vellum on this card. And this one is a second design, and you will make 3 of those as well. All right. The third design here uses the beautiful Fresh Freesia paper. It's a very light purple. I love it. And you'll get to use the dies here that make the cute little flowering fields at the bottom of your card. All right, so you'll get to make 3 of this card as well. And finally, bring in this card here, and you will get to make 3 of this one as well. This is a very pretty card that uses pumpkin pie and mango melody colors, very bright, perfect for spring. And you'll get to make 3 of those as well. Not only will you make the cards and receive envelopes for them, you will get the cardstock and materials to make this cute little file box. And this will be great for you to have on your desk, so whenever you need a birthday card through the year, you will have it. All right, let's talk about what's in the kit. All right, let's bring the kit over here. This is what your kit will look like. All right, let's open it up. Okay, firstly, you're gonna get all the materials that you need to make all 4 cards. These are the 4 designs. There's enough in each of those bags to make 3 of the designs. So those will be in your kit. And then you'll also have in your kit a template that you can make your own file box. All right, so that, and you will also receive a sample pack of the beautiful paper. And this is amazing. So if you would want to do more projects later using the paper, you'll have a nice sample here that you can use, cut in 6 by 6. All right, now let me go in here and get the rest of these things out. As I had mentioned before, you will get a roll of the Evening Evergreen Window Pane Plaid ribbon that you can put on your box, as well as if you'd like to place it on your cards as well, that's up to you. And here is one of my favorite embellishments in the latest mini catalog. These are the brushed brass butterflies, and these are adhesive on the back, and you can add those to your cards just to add a little accent, a little bling. All right, finally, for participating in my event, you will get an event pin, and this is what that will look like. If you are a newcomer to my product kits, you will also get a cute little cloth basket like this. Has my little Wexford Stamper tag on the side. And this is great for holding all your crafting materials at home. And then you can take your pin and you can pin it to your basket for every time you participate. So it's a great way to show off those pins And lastly, of course, we're going to add a sheet of dimensionals. You can't live without those with our card making. So that is everything that is in your card kit. Now, I am taking orders now for either in class, which is on Friday, February 25th at 7 o'clock right here at my home, or a to-go kit, which would be available shortly after the class. The cost is $35. Please let me know by February 10th if you're interested. Because of supply chain issues, I need to get my order in by the 10th so that I'll have everything ready to go for you on the 25th. So please text me or email me and let me know. I prefer paying with PayPal, but if you would prefer check or something else, just message me and let me know. So I'm excited for you to come and join me, and we will put together these cool birthday kits. Let me know, and I hope to see you on the 25th, or if you'd like a to-go kit, either way. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.